Hello everyone, welcome to Indulge with Iti. If it's your first time here, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Iti Dal and I make food and lifestyle videos for your viewing pleasure. So today I'm going to take you guys along to an Indian grocery store where I'm going to look for and purchase cooking ingredients for African dishes. So this video will be a combination of a vlog and a food haul. So I'm very excited to do this video. Hopefully you find it helpful, and if you do, share it with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from this. I hope you enjoyed this video and please subscribe and become an honorary indulger. If you're interested to see my finds, then stay tuned and join me at the grocery store. I'll catch you all there. Here we are at Roxburgh Park, Melbourne. I was so lucky to be able to film this video. Once I entered, I spoke to the manager and explained to her what the purpose of this video was, and she was so warm and accommodating and did not hesitate to approve. So Jazakillah khairan, sister, I really appreciate it. So this store is called Reliable Groceries. As you enter this store, you'll be met with a selection of frozen goods. You have your rotis, your chapatis, your sambusas, and other Indian sweets and treats. A little further down, you have a selection of shampoos and hair oils. Thiakry hair oil is one of my favorites. Inshallah, in the not so distant future, I will be sharing one of my hair oil recipes with you. If I needed one reason to visit the store, it would definitely have to be the spices. As you can see, there's a large variety and range of options. All of these spices are already individually wrapped. There's no need for weighing them before purchasing them. So everything is there for your convenience. If you are living in the West and you find difficulty sourcing ingredients for your African dishes, perhaps where you live there's no African market or African shops, you can try Indian stores. They're a gold mine for finding ingredients that are very similar to what we use back home. Another great place to search for ingredients are Asian grocery stores. When it comes to sourcing flours and grains for your African swallows, the Indian store is a great place to start. They have a variety of options from millet to sorghum to wheat to rice flour, you name it. Now, we cannot visit an Indian store without having a look at their selection of rice. Here we have basmati rice, jasmine rice, and various perfume rices. If you've been watching my videos for some time now, you will recognize this particular brand. It's called Golden Stella, and it's definitely one of the best. It was a much welcome trip to the shops. We are currently in lockdown in Melbourne, and so going to the shops felt like an adventure. Let me know in the comments section if your city is on lockdown too. Who else here enjoys unpacking groceries? I think there's something therapeutic about it. So let's get on with that haul. The first thing I'd like to talk about is these peanuts. They're raw peanuts. One of the things I miss a lot about being in Ghana is having ground nuts. So I'm going to attempt to prepare these peanuts in a similar fashion. Next is semolina flour. Fine semolina flour is great for making tool. It's low in starch and it's a healthy option. I also picked up some rice flour, which is great for a number of dishes, but one in particular is lagba. Lagba is a Nigerian swallow which is made from rice flour. Here I also have some millet flour, which is known as bajri flour in Indians. Millet flour is awesome. I use it to make Burkina, fura, kuku, all kinds of things. It's very versatile. If you are interested in learning how to make Burkina from scratch, I do have a video in my playlist. I will link it up in the corner and in the description bar below. This product is a new find. It looks like millet couscous, which I think would make a great substitute for nakiri, which is prepared very similar to Burkina. These Shan spices are a must-have. The chicken tikka, fried fish, tikka and fried chopsticks. These are all spices that taste very similar to the yaji spices we use in Ghana and in Nigeria. I particularly love the fried fish seasoning. It makes fried fish taste so good. Try it out and let me know how you find it. For me, chili powder is an essential part of African food. We call it garing tankwa in Hausa. It's great. This particular type, Kashmiri chili powder, is beautifully pigmented and makes your dishes look very, very bright. I also picked up some dry whole chilies. I chose two different brands. One brand claims to be extra hot, so I'm looking forward to trying that out to see. I also picked up some cloves. And anise seeds. Anise seeds and cloves can be used to season meat and poultry. Black pepper is also great for that. And dry ginger as well is also very useful in African dishes. Stay tuned for the fura and nono recipe that's coming to you very, very soon. I also found some tamarind. Tamarind is excellent, like using it in Senegalese dishes, to season fish, and also to make tasty drinks. A good curry powder goes a long way. So this particular brand is amazing. It has a great flavor and it says meat curry, but it goes in a lot of other dishes. It adds great flavor to jollof rice and stews and many other dishes. I also picked up some black-eyed beans or black-eyed peas for wake. This is also a staple in Ghanaian food. We love our wake. If you know, you know. I also brought home some pure ghee. This is known as clarified butter or manshanu in Hausa. This will take your miyan kuka to another level. Now let's get on to the frozen goods. Here's some frozen cassava. This is excellent for making bonku and achake. I also picked up some frozen molokhia leaves or ayoyo leaves or jute leaves as known in English. I got some taro leaves, which is a great alternative to contomere leaves, and rosella leaves. Rosella is from the same family as hibiscus, so these leaves give you off that sour soup, that sour leaf soup that we have back home. Lastly, one of the best things you can buy from an Indian grocery store is paneer. Paneer is an easy go-to alternative to Wagashi. As you can see here, I've fried some paneer to put in my stew, but if you would like to learn how to make Wagashi from scratch, I also have a tutorial for that. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you again soon.